Hi, I am Arnold. Introducing Klynik, your ultimate prescription, writing and clinic management companion. Streamline your clinic operations like never before with Klynik by Pursho. This cutting-edge doctor prescription software and clinic management software is designed to transform the way you manage your medical practice. Let's dive into the exceptional features that make Klynik a must-have tool for modern healthcare professionals. Dashboard. Get an instant bird's-eye view of your clinic's performance and crucial insights that help you make informed decisions. Prescription. Craft electronic prescriptions with ease and even print them if needed. Patients can conveniently access their prescriptions through the patient portal. Prescription settings. Customize predefined prescription settings, including clinical diagnosis, diagnostic tests, general advice, and additional guidance. Patients. Effortlessly manage patient records, histories, and information, enhancing the overall patient experience. Appointments. Seamlessly schedule, manage, and view appointments in one comprehensive calendar. Keep your clinic running smoothly with optimized scheduling. Consultations. Manage your online and offline consultations effortlessly. Keep a record of payments and create prescriptions all in one place. Live consultation. Configure live consultations through popular platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, ensuring seamless virtual patient interactions. Appointments. Seamlessly schedule, manage, and view appointments in one comprehensive calendar. Keep your clinic running smoothly with optimized scheduling. Scan QR code and book. Generate personalized QR codes for seamless patient appointment bookings. Display QR codes at your clinic for convenient booking options. Doctor Chamber. Create multiple doctor chambers within your clinic and set specific appointment limits for each, optimizing your scheduling efficiency. Manage departments. Organize your clinic's services by creating and listing different departments, making navigation easy for both staff and patients. Doctor verification. Ensure authenticity by allowing doctors to upload necessary certificates and documents, enhancing accountability and trust. Manage drugs. Maintain a database of common medicines for quick and easy inclusion in prescriptions. Manage staffs. Simplify staff management by overseeing their roles and responsibilities directly from the Klynik platform. Patients. Effortlessly manage patient records, histories, and information, enhancing the overall patient experience. Payment settings. Integrate secure payment gateways and offer patients the convenience of online payment for services. Rating and reviews. Showcase patient feedback and ratings to build trust and credibility. Let the positive experiences of your patients speak for themselves. Subscription. Easily keep track of your subscription plan within Klynik, ensuring you always have access to the features you need. Experience the future of clinic management and prescription writing with Klynik by Pursho. Elevate your medical practice, enhance patient care, and streamline your operations like never before. Try Pursho's Klynik today and embark on a journey of efficiency and excellence in healthcare management.